Okay, guys, today we're gonna see what happens when we put double decker inside the microwave.
Can you not put it in my face?
Okay. It's about to run out. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
What the
Oh my god.
Let it focus.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Let's try. Let's try.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Do you want to try a bit?
No.
No.
Yes.